Keeping your pet macaw's nails trimmed is essential for their health and comfort. Let's take you inside Safari Veterinary Care as our expert team performs a safe and stress-free nail trim. First, we carefully secure the bird, ensuring they feel comfortable and safe. Overgrown nails can cause difficulty gripping, discomfort, and even injuries. We use precise nail clippers to trim just the right amount, avoiding the sensitive quick. A final filing smooths rough edges, making perching and climbing easier. All done. Regular nail trims help keep your macaw healthy and happy. Need a professional nail trim for your bird? Visit safarivet.com today